Hi there, Alistair from the Havilland Aircraft Museum here again. We keep some of our aeroplanes outside, and the great thing about that is that you can walk all around them, you can see them at close quarters. Some of them, like this one here, you can even go inside if you're lucky, if it's a nice day and it's open. This is our Havilland DH.104 Dove. Now the Dove was almost a war baby really, because it arose out of the findings of a committee that was set up during World War II called the Brabazon Committee to look into what sort of aeroplanes Britain should be building when the war was over. Instead of building a lot of bombers and fighters, we needed to build civilian aircraft and transports and airliners as well. The Dove came out of that because it was realised there was a need for a small, maybe only 5 or 6 seater feeder airliner, short haul, executive transport type of aeroplane. Havilland got the contract with the Dove. Very successful, twin engine, 2 piston engines, nice small aeroplane, room for 6 passengers inside and a couple of pilots up the front. Fun fact about this aircraft: when you come in, when you enter it, you actually go inside through the toilets. Entry is through the toilets, which is not a common thing for most airplanes, but there you are. Little fun fact about the Dove. They were used all over the world. They flew with a lot of airlines, large and small, civilian operators too. This particular one was used by British Aerospace. The military also used them, the Royal Air Force used them, and the Royal Navy. The Royal Navy called it the Devon, and the Royal Air Force called it the Devon, the Royal Navy called it the Sea Devon. And so they carried on in service, usually for the transport of senior officers and admirals and so on and so forth. Keeping an aeroplane outdoors is not an ideal thing to do, but we're forced into it because obviously we don't have hangarage space to keep all of our aircraft indoors. But we are doing a bit of restoration work on this one. You might get to see the guys working on it when you come. But thanks to Terry and Kelvin and the guys for doing a lovely job and generally taking care of the airplane and doing a great job inside and out. It's an interesting little thing. Quite like it, very popular with the visitors. Do come along, stick your head inside, have a look inside, see what it's all about, and we look forward to showing it to you when you come. So meanwhile, stay safe, stay well, stay in touch, stay tuned.